Oh, wow. It's not a bad one. Get him to come here, you. We got a net somewhere. Cool. First fish of the day. Not what we're looking for, but nice, healthy largemouth. Cool. There's the first one. Well, waiting. So they are here still. First crappie is a good one. Fishing in hurricane winds today, so I'm not going to catch as many, I highly doubt. There you go. Good one. That's a good one. Real good one. Oh yeah. He was deceptively kind of deceptive. I just caught a couple. This is number 4, and the last 2 have been like 9.5, so I didn't really show them. But yeah, good one. That's a good one. Black crappie. Big old fat black crappie. Ooh! I think that's the first black of the day. Didn't really say it on the last video, but we got both kinds here. Pretty sure he's a black crappie. He looks pretty humpy. It's real hard to tell when they're this pale, but I'm pretty sure everything else I've seen has been white crappies. But I'll have to look at them when I get them all spread out. Be able to tell better when they're beside each other. Here's a good one. Number 6, white crappie. Ooh. Just missed a real big one. I don't know how big it was, but it was probably at least 12. But yep, never really said what I'm doing. I'm just starting out with minnows under a bobber and then switch to jig when I run out of minnows. Number 9. Number 9 again. I went to put number 9 in the bucket and number 9 jumped out. Good Lord, what a fat crappie. Number 10. Just big old fat slob. Wow. I'm trying to fix my other pole. I broke off on a log and catching fish while I'm tying a hook. You know how that goes. There's number 13? 13, I think. It has been hell filming in this wind, bashing into trees. Oh, probably could have done better if I was fishing one pole and filming, but trying to fish 2 poles and film, that's been tough today. These size left and right now, and they're coming like right near the boat. There. I mean, they're just right there. It's just like that. That's why I'm having trouble filming, because they're right off the boat, boy. That's hard to film there when they're right beside the boat. This ate a minnow. Number 20. And he is a stud. And he hit right there. Right there. This crappie's only got one eye. Number 23. About impossible to film in the wind still. Number 26, I'm just drift fishing now. she's on. Count them. See how we did. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 or 27. I'll get a better count at the house. Just giving them some fresh water. Them ain't bad size. Some of them are pretty big. Mostly white crappie. That's a black. That's a black. Is it 2 black crappie? No, maybe 3. 3 black crappie. Hey guys, this is the final haul. I think 27 in all. It's the next day. I had them on ice all night. And, I was just gonna show you a few things real quick on them. Go ahead and show right here. So there's your difference between the crappies. When they're all laying together, you can really see these white crappie have these, I know they're faded because he's been sitting in ice all night, but these vertical bands. And then these black crappies are real like humpy looking, I always call them. And just, you know, got the regular speckles there going up and down, but there's the difference. And you can see that's just a good example of a nice black and a nice white crappie laying together. And these aren't humongous crappies by any means. I'll start catching the 15 and 16 inchers closer it gets to spawn. You know, these are nice crappies to eat in my opinion, but not trophies. What else? Caught them all today on yesterday on minnows, and would have used jigs, but they're just not hitting on jigs real good yet. But anyways, there you go. Just one thing to add here. I have playlists now, so if you want to see me catching giant crappies, just go to the pan fishing playlist. If you want to see bass fishing, walleye fishing, pike fishing, they're all on playlists now. So everything, I've made everything easy. Have a good one. All right, let's show you some of the rigs I used yesterday. That's my Abu Garcia Max 20 reel. I got it on an octane graphite rod made by Quantum. I kind of mix and match rods and reels. Don't let anybody fool you, it doesn't make that big of a difference. Same thing, graphite rod. This is a Shimano C3000, I believe. Yep. And pretty good. I mean, crappie fishing ain't rocket science. Get a long rod, get a decent reel. I think I just put 6-pound line on both of them. And then for jigs, well, I wasn't really using jigs, but those are sickle hooks. That's what they look like. Really good for crappie. And then those are some jigs. I do believe Nasty Nate makes those. Okay. And then I got some stuff sent to me from this guy right here, who's also a YouTuber. Check him out. Really windy today. Rogers Rigs. Check him out. He's a good guy. And yeah, he sent me some small plastics to try out. Really good stuff. So, like I said, it ain't rocket science. Have a good one.